Hey. Listen here. You and me are here right now. Are you listening? Are you listening to me? Hi. Alright. Hi, my name is Alyssa. How are you? Are you good? You already know what's good. So, okay, check this out, right? The video that you're about to see is actually filmed a year ago from the day that I'm posting this. So it's not a year ago from today. It's a year ago from the day I posted, which is February 4th. So I filmed this video on February 4th, 2020. And well, I never thought it would see the light of day. I never thought I would post it on anywhere, let alone YouTube. At that point in life, I didn't have a YouTube channel. I didn't think I was going to. I was hopeful yet doubtful. I filmed the video because it was just like, I felt like it. I was just in the mood to film and I wanted to try it. And so I looked back on it. It was like a 50-minute video. I looked back on it and I was like, you know, some of this like can be saved. This is salvageable. So good luck with that. Hello, check this out. Alright. I've been planning on doing something like this, making a video, alright? I had the most brilliant idea and I just had to share it with I don't know who, the world, Jesus, whoever's gonna listen. So listen, I got these Bath and Body Works candles, okay? And like, some of them are a little defective. So what that means is like it'll burn halfway and then it'll stop lighting like the wick. So I was gonna order some wicks off of like eBay and then find some like glass containers to put the wax in and put the wick in and make new candle, because it's like $30 for a candle. So I have a candle and I got some containers and I found some wicks and some old candles that just like popped out, right? So I'm gonna make new candles. Right, I'm gonna show y'all the setup. So I got this candle right here, right? You see that? I got 3 little glass containers and then the wicks that I popped out. And then I got a pot. Okay, this is real easy, theoretically. It's kind of dangerous because you're messing with hot wax and you might die. Okay, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna fill the pot with water. So you're gonna fill it to like where the candle can like sit, but like the water isn't going in the candle. Duh, right? This is the candle. This is from Bath and Body Works. It's flannel. It smells pretty good. Put that in there. Nope. So basically, right? Okay. You're supposed to put the candle in the pot, but then it can't really touch the bottom of the glass could like break, I think. I don't know. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if this is gonna work. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put a paper towel and I'm gonna like fold it and put it at the bottom. So you got your paper towel, right? You're gonna like fold it a few times. Put the paper towel there and then let me show you. Okay, see? So this is my candle, right? And then at the bottom there's, you see that? A paper towel. So you have your pot. You're gonna put it on the burner. High heat, I guess. Okay, so what we're trying to do is we're trying to take the wick out of the candle. We don't need that, we need the wax. The wick is like useless, basically. So I have these 3 little cute little containers. Oh, girl, that is not cute. So yeah, these were the 3 different colors, and then they had another one of these ones, but the candle that came in it already had the wick burnt, so it wouldn't have worked, you know what I'm saying? But these are just like to try it out, because I've never done this. I don't know if this works. Where am I supposed to look? I'm looking at myself, low-key. I'm supposed to look there. I'm gonna get a skewer and like try and like mix it up a little bit. How long does candle wax take to melt on a stove? I've never done it before. Some of these wicks are they look crooked, a little slant. Just fix this. Like if you're gonna do this is not a tutorial, this is not a how-to, because this is trial and error. And if you're doing it with me, struggling together, my guy. We are. Girl, you hear that? Hold on. But yeah, as I was saying, get this stuff done before hand. You also said to make sure you have like tongs and stuff like that. Bro, they said I need 2. And look, I got 2. So. They got little specks in here. Maybe I should have. Alright, it's got like dust in here. Shoot, it's like it's been sitting in a closet for some years. It hasn't exploded yet. So, I mean, that's kind of chill. I'm like really bored. You can tell I'm bored because guess what I did like half hour ago? No, let me not lie. Like 45 minutes ago. I reorganized the fridge. But I'll show you. I'm trying to flip the camera. Check this out, right? Okay. So like I reorganized and that's wait. Okay, that's where sauces are. Check it, right? And then boom, 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 boom. All down there. And then that's the fridge. I don't know how well this is gonna show because I don't know what you're seeing. Next up is the freezer because that's a whole different story, babe. That's like that's a journey. That's a trek right there. I think we're just about finished. I'm gonna bring you out here, right? I don't know where to put you. Hold on. Hello. Okay. So we have the melted candle wax. Let me hit you with that view real quick. Whatever. So what we're about to do. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, we're gonna use the tongs and we're gonna take out like the wicks, right? This feels like I'm at the arcade. You know what I'm saying? You play them games. I don't know which game. The claw machine. Oh, the claw machine, bro. This feels just like that. I'm gonna take an oven mitt, right? And I'm gonna like try to like grab it with one hand and then like stabilize it. With the tongs. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay. Yo, these are like the worst tongs in the entire world. I might just pour this like straight up. Y'all pray for me. Pray to whatever you believe in, cause shoot, I don't know what I believe in. Okay. Oh, I got wax on my phone, bro. Hold on. Let me save this. Hey, I might have done something. Like, low-key, this might be it. Like, I mean, it's a little crooked, but shoot, it's gonna have to work. Y'all trying to see it? Yeah, hold on. Okay, check it out. It looks a little slant, it looks a little crooked, but I don't care. 1, 2. Okay. Let's stop that right there. You can always add, but it's kind of hard to subtract though. Yo, this is it. Oh my god, everyone about to be out here making them candles, bro. Thanks to me. Also, let me know if you saw any ghosts behind me at any point. So it works better when you add this after you pour the wax in. You can always pour more wax in afterwards, but add the wick after. Because the wax will like already start to cool and you just, okay. Yeah. Alright, bet. Now let's do the last one. Wish me luck. Alright. And all like the gross stuff moved to the bottom. So it's just like clear wax.
Why did you do this?
Okay. Again, make sure your wig's lined up, bro, because then you have to fix it in the wax and it gets messy. Bro, this worked like perfectly. I could have made like one more candle out of this. Hold on. I got the last one that I found. Oh, this solid. Hold on. Okay, for this last one, since I told you that the candle that like this was before burned like halfway and then it started like it gave out. I'm gonna use the leftover wick, like the tallest one out of the 3 wicks, and we're gonna put it in here and make like a half candle. Do you see it? It's like a half wick, and so I look like a crackhead. It reaches like a decent amount. It's not that bad. How are y'all doing? Are you good? I didn't ask you that. How are you? Are you good? I hope you're doing good. I mean, shoot, I'm living my best life right now. If you think about it, you can burn more of like a small candle than you can of a big candle. You know what I'm saying? You know, my main concern about this is like, how strong of a scent is it gonna be? Like the candle that I made, because I can smell it. This one I have to be careful about because I'm only filling it up to a certain point. I filled it up a little bit and I'm gonna put the wick. Also, my phone's about to die, so I gotta wrap this up. Okay, I'm gonna put it in there. Alright, so I'm gonna show you what I got at the final product. I'm also gonna take pictures, so that's gonna be there too. But yeah, that's it. It actually worked. I didn't think it was gonna work, but it worked. Listen, see, the moral of the story, the moral, sometimes spontaneous decisions turn into the best times of your life. Making a YouTube video, bro. Ew.
That little bitch a diva. Fucking leave her.
Okay, bye.
That little bitch a diva. Fucking leave her. My life is a movie directed by